Hello viewers, in this video we'll be seeing how we interpret data in the form of graphs on our S2 Analytica platform. Firstly, we navigate to this Rail method, and here we have different filters and different options from where we can interpret data in different forms, namely tabular and graphical forms. Now I'll be walking you through how we can generate graphs for different kinds of data using these filters that you can see on your screen. Let's say as of now we are on the rating. Let's navigate to the rating pattern, and here we can see different kinds of filters. From this filter we can select which station we want to generate the data for. Let's say we select PNB here, or okay, we already had selected RNCC by default. Okay, so we'll let it be like that. Select the train number. Let's select all for now, and in this section we can just select what specific kind of complaint we are looking into. Let's say we are selecting only electrical equipments for now, which is here. It is selected, and now let's generate the data for the month of June. So we'll select the date 1st of June to 30th of June. Let's do it. Yes, okay, and we'll click on the submit button. We'll wait for a while, and you can see the graph is generated. Similarly, if we want to generate the data for the current month, like from 6th of June to 5th of July, okay, from 6th of June to 6th of July, we can do that as well. So this is the upcoming graph will be the graph for the current last month. Yeah. So this is the graph for the last 1 month from 6th of June to 6th of July. Similarly, we can generate different kinds of information, different kinds of graphs for different stations available over here. We can apply filters. Let's say if we change the type of complaint, let's say we select medical assistance and we remove this electrical equipment part, and we regenerate this graph. Wait for a while. Okay, we do not have any data for this kind of specific complaint, so let's go for water availability and bedroll now. uh, since we do not have any data for medical assistance, either we keep it or we remove it. It doesn't make a difference, so let it be as it is, and we again generate the graph. And this is the specific graph for the filters that we had selected. Again, we have different kinds of options available over here. We can just create different kinds of graphs for our data. Let's navigate to trends chart, and from here we have complaint type electrical equipment. Let's change it to security. We select any one of these subtype. Let's say harassment, extortion by security personnel, or railway personnel, and we again generate the data for the month of June. So okay, and in this section we are selecting all the trains from train numbers available over here, and here we are selecting all the stations. So for understanding and for a better clarity in the visualization of the graph, let it be as it is, and let's click on the submit button. And we can see the graph for security. This is for the whole security thing, and this is only for the security complaint, which is specific, which is type specific to harassment and extortion by security personnel only. Okay. Similarly, using similar steps and applying filters, we can generate graphs and table for different kinds of data that is available for us. Let's go to the summary section. and let's see what we get there. We have RNCC station selected over here. Let's select 2 or 3 more stations. We can select all over here as well, but for now we are selecting these 4 stations, and then we are selecting, we can select specific trains, but for convenience let's select all over here. Again, in the complaint section, as mentioned before, we can select specific complaint types, but let's say we are selecting all over here as well, and we generate the data for the month of June again. So for the month of June, we select date from 1st of June to the 30th of June, and we click on the submit button. And this graph is generated. This graph shows the variation in different kinds of rating that has been assigned for all the complaint types that have been mentioned in this section over here. Also, we can generate the report for the latest month, that is from 6th of June to 6th of July, and submit, and we'll get the pattern for the latest month. This ensures that we are updated with the data of the latest things as we are creating all these graphs and charts. Similarly, we can go to any of these sections and we'll be generating reports according to the data that is available over there, and selecting these filters and manipulating these filters as we require at that point of time. That would be all for this video. Thanks for watching.